gargle.
I'm still with the king. I keep it down. I got fun chicks in New York, that means one in each borough.
8801 CT.
Please give blood.
Go on the feet. Pistol on my hip like I'm a cop. Yeah, yeah. Let's go.
Bill Seaton.
Their parents banned it. Their parents banned it. Their parents banned it. Their parents banned it.
When do results come back?
It takes about 4 business days.
No, I'm your emergency plumber to fix your pool heater.
Try to forget you.
Hi, I'm Bud Neville in the flesh.
They're probably scared the shit out of them.
I intend to bring forth heaven on earth. It's all from bondage. Motherfucker.
Why are you taking a picture of that?
I can't even lie.
Mark is here from Coastal Plumbing.
Hi, I'm Bud Neville in the flesh. Hi, I'm Bud Neville in the flesh. You silly human slave. You stupid monkey. You have no intelligence. Where's the look at that? Where's the look at that? Say business. Why an impious? Consider throw up this good. No one loves sapatos. Sapatos, so no one. No one loves sapatos.
I am the Grim Reaper, and my fingers are dirty with your filthy souls. Ugh, stupid assholes. Everybody shits their pants when they croak.
You're laughing at the devil today, boy.
Get to work, boy. Shut the fuck up.
Man, enough's enough of that.
The devil's watching you, boy.
I gotta get up, but you can't complain to his boss.
Wanna work with the devil today, boys?
What's up, devil boy? What's up, devil boy?
In the name of Satan.
Samael, the angel of death, the venom of God, came to earth and said to Eve, "Can I leave my son with you while I go on a journey?" And she said, "Yeah." When he comes back, he realized
Adam and Eve had eaten his son. The angel of death is a father and husband.
Who has promised that we shall never, never die.
We shall never, never die.
We shall never, never die.
Never die.
Satan is. Satan it is. Satan is. Satan is. Holy Grail, layer below. Book of Life, fill the cup. Book of Life, fill the cup. Holy Grail, layer below.
So you don't have to like it, you don't have to believe it, but they steal your soul from you right at birth. It's specifically your soul because you gave up the land. Now you pay for water in the water world. You know, you pay for rent and everything. Everything's supposed to be free. This is your inheritance. This land, you're birthed into this world. It was stolen from you. You are now sold on the stock exchange as cattle. They place you down as male or female. That only pertains to cattle. Look it up. The papal bulls state that you are owned as a slave. So you had 45 days to pick this up, the birth certificate, from the hospital. And you didn't pick it up. So what happened is they sent this off to the vital statistics office and they placed you down as a stillborn, a dead on arrival. And you forfeited your own child. It's true. Look it up.
Look at it. When you walk into a courtroom and they call your name, you get up and you put your hand on the gate and you open the gate. The moment you put your hand on the gate, by international law, you of your own volition have opened yourself up to maritime admiralty law because you were on the law of the land. As long as you don't touch that gate and go through it, you haven't opened the floodgate. Now, once you open the floodgate, there's a piece of wood on top of that gate, and it's called the bar, and you're not licensed to pass the bar. Right. So what you've done is you've opened the floodgate, but you weren't licensed to pass the bar.
So what does that mean?
So that means that you are dead. You are now dead. Once you touch that, you are dead.
Because you're no longer in control of
That's right. You are dead. Well, you're considered to be a dead man. That's why the attorney has to speak for you. He has to represent you.
Why are you dead? Because
you went into the deep water and you died. You drowned.
It's not what you believe. Your Creator gave you that blood to make an atonement for your filthy soul. You need to write out on a piece of paper. I intend to bring forth heaven and earth and release us all from bondage. And prick your finger away for your naked boo-boo. Smear a little bit of your blood on it. And publish a little video to YouTube with the title Blood Over Intent, the tag Blood Over Intent, and the description Blood Over Intent. And stand blood thick with me, the devil himself. I open up the book of life. It has 144,000 names. That makes me the angel of death. There's billions of people out there.